Hi guys. Thinking of breadboard too much? Here is everything about it. First, we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. We have the plus and the right there. They line up like this. And they line up like this. Some breadboard can split in this spot in the middle between the dash plus and the other dash plus lines. And you can add 2 wires to make them connect. Adding the jumper wires is so easy. Next, I bought our RGB LED from Amazon, but it's not working at all. I'm just gonna show you how it works anyway. Here is it, but I cut the bottom the tire equal. Whatever when you buy it there will be a long leg. That long leg is the negative, and when you connect the plus to one of the rest, they will make different colors. Add them gently to the breadboard. Now it's perfect. Let's connect the wires. Orange is the negative and brown is the positive. You don't need the same color at all. You can use different colors that you want. Connect the wires to the battery. If you have a 3 volts battery or a 5 volt USB, you can add a resistor to the positive leg in the LED. Pulling out a LED can be hard. Just be gently with it.